Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hey guys, I am Priyanka Kalal, was student of first year Computer Department and Zil Polytechnic Pune. My micro project name is Build a Diode Clipper Circuit on the guidance of Miss Poonam ma'am. Information: Priyanka Kalal, Sanchi Kamble, Yash Mitkar, Shravani Khandare and Amin Mujawar. Build the diode clipper circuit. Project abstract: how to build a diode clipper circuit. In this project, we will go over how to build a diode clipper circuit. Main content: a diode clipper circuit is a circuit that clips an AC voltage signal of a circuit to a certain level. When the signal is clipped, the amplitude is reduced to a certain level, which we will bias for a particular circuit. So, example, an AC voltage signal feeding a circuit may be 5V, so it has a peak positive voltage of 5V and a peak negative voltage of minus 5V. Passing this signal through a diode clipper circuit, we can clip the positive or negative portion of the AC signal or both. We can clip the signal to 2V for instance, for clip to 1V. Basically, any voltage we want. A diode clipper circuit is used for various purposes. It can be used to reduce the noise in a signal. If a signal has a lot of noise associated with it, especially at the peak, the reducing the amplitude with the diode can eliminate a lot of the noise. Another purpose may just to reduce the amplitude. For example, if a very loud signal is feeding a speaker, in order not to blow out the speaker, we maybe reduce the amplitude with diodes. In this project, we will show all the various clipper circuit that can constructively include clipper positive amplitudes, clip negative amplitudes, and clipping positive negative amplitudes with and without DC bias. DC bias simply means that we clip the signals to a certain DC voltage level. Without DC bias, the signal will be clipped to the natural 0.7V of a silicon diodes. We show how to build a circuit below. Diodes, clipper and clampers. In this tutorial, we will learn about diode clippers and clampers. Even through rectification is the basic application of diodes, clipper and clamper circuits are equally important. Clippers are known as limiters and clampers are known as the DC resistors. This tutorial gives an in-depth information about diode clippers and clampers. Components needed for the diode clipper circuit. Diodes are very easy to obtain and are cheap. The type of use is but you can really use any diodes from the iron 14X family. The iron 401 is a silicon diode. Being a silicon diode, it requires about 0.7V across in the order to operate. This 0.7V the sufficient value is, as you will see as the discuss is below, but just know that is silicon diode needs about 0.7V volts across in the order to operate. In this circuit, we will use 5V PP, which is 5V peak to peak. This means that is positive amplitude has a peak value of 5V and the negative amplitude has a peak value of 5V. Diode clipper circuit. Diode clipper circuit with the clipping positive unbiased amplitude. The first diode clipper circuit we will build. We will clip the positive amplitude of an AC signal. This diode circuit is shown below. How the circuits works as follows. An AC signal goes through two phases, when it's positive and when it's negative. During the positive portion of the signal, current travels to the anode and the diode then to ground, and then repeated to the process over and over again. During the positive portion of the AC signal, current flows from the anode of the diode and the cathode. Since current flows, voltage falls across the diode and the resistor. The diode consumes about 0.7V. Silicon diodes requires a steady voltage drop about 0.7V in order to operate. Remember that voltage in a parallel is the same. Therefore, since our output is in parallel to the diodes, it will have a voltage of 0.7V during the positive portion of the AC signal. This is why during the positive half and the AC signal, the signal doesn't reach the peak 5V, but instead has the steady DC voltage of 0.7V. Diode clipper circuit with the clipping negative unbiased amplitude. During the positive portion of the AC signal, current is implanted from the flowing the cathode. Because the diode is a one-way current device, current can only travel from the anode to cathode, not from the cathode to anode. Therefore, there is a current flow. Since current does not flow, there is a voltage drop across the resistor for the diodes. It's a through they are not present and the output is connected directly to the AC voltage supply. Therefore, the full voltage is present the output during the positive portion of the AC signal. Diode clipper circuit with the clipping bias and amplitude. So now we will show how to bias a circuit. Beginning with the positive amplitude, to a bias circuit means to set any DC level that you want to signal clipping at the diodes always will be provide 0.7 V. So if we want your circuit cut off the clipper of 3 V, then we add a plus 2.3 DC source in the series to a diode. Both sources of voltages, the diode and the DC supply, must be pointing in the same direction since the clip portion occurs with the circuit. In the positive portion is the AC signal, it is positive amplitude that is clip. What you have know is that is diode will be always give a voltage of 0.7 V. This is because when current flows through a current, a diode always consumes 0.7 V across in the order to operate. Now we will add a DC source to a dump up to say 0.7 V further. Since we want to circuit to a clip at 3 V, we want a must to add 2.3 VDC on top of the 0.7 V of the diode. Diode clipper circuit with clip positive and negative unbiased amplitudes. So now we show how to have positive and negative amplitude for an AC signal. In order to have clean positive and negative amplitudes, we must use two diodes, and one diode is forward bias and other diode is reverse bias. With this combination, the AC signal is clipped at the both position negative amplitudes. Since the circuit is not biased to any DC level, both signals are clipped to 0.7 V. Diode clipper circuit with clipping of positive and negative amplitudes. Now this is circuit shows the diode clipping circuit with positive and negative amplitudes clipping with the biasing. We clip the negative signal to 4.7 V and clip the positive to 0.7 V. We place a 2 V DC source in the series the forward bias diode. Since the diode has a voltage drop of 0.7 V, the total voltage is 0.7 V. Therefore, the AC voltage signal will be clipped to 0.7 V during the positive portion of the signal. Diode clipper, the study of various clipping circuit. This article explains the working of different diode clipper circuit like positive and negative diode clippers, bias clipper circuit and combinational clipper circuit with the help of circuit diagrams and waveforms. What is clipping circuit? A clipping circuit is a device to clip the input voltage to prevent from the attaching a value larger than a prevented one. As you can see the picture below, the device is cut off the positive or negative peak value of a cycle. Combination clipper. When a portion of the positive and negative of each cycle of the input voltage is clipped or removed. Combination clipper is employed. The circuits for such a clipper is given in the below. The action of the circuit is summarized below. For positive and input voltage signal, when we input a voltage exceed battery voltage plus V1, diode D1 conduct heavily while diode D2 is reverse bias, and so voltage plus V1 appears across the output. This output voltage plus V1 stays as long as the input voltage exceeds plus V1. On the other hand, for the negative input voltage signal, the diode D1 remains the reverse bias and the diode D2 conduct heavily only when input voltage exceeds battery uses V2 in a magnitude. During the negative half cycle in the output stays minus V2 so long as the input signal voltage is greater than minus V2. Zener diode clipper circuit. The use of bias voltage means that the amount of the voltage waveform that is clipping of can accurately control. But one of the main advantages of using bias diode clipping circuit is that may need a additional EMF battery source, which may not be problem. One easy way of creating bias diode clipping circuit without the need of any additional EMF supply is to a Zener diode. As we know, the Zener diode is another type of the diode, and it has specially manufactured to operate in the reverse bias breakdown region as such as can use to voltage regulation or Zener die clipping application. In this forward region, the Zener act like an ordinary silicon diode in a forward voltage drop of 0.7 V, package 700 mV when the conducting the same to at above. Full wave Zener diode clipping. The output waveform full wave the Zener diode clipping circuit. Remember that of the previous voltage and biased clipping circuit. The output waveform will be clipped at the Zener diode plus 0.7 V forward volt of the other diode. So example, the positive half cycle will be clipped the sum of Zener diode ZD1 plus 0.7 V from ZD2 and vice versa from the negative half cycle. Thank you.